Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, hands-free communication. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.